I'm right here. I got you. Just keep breathing, okay? You're okay, you're okay.
Jack, I failed you. I saw how you were treated, and I let it happen. I'm so sorry.
Emma, honey, I made your favorite. Pancakes, fruit, extra syrup.
Thanks, Mom. You always know. Is there any breakfast for me?
Not right now, Jack. I'm still busy. Just grab something later.
Jack was used to it. No one asked if he was hungry. No one asked if he was tired. He was just expected to keep going.
Jack, my car's filthy. Wash it before school.
I still need to finish my homework. It's due first period.
And? Car's still dirty.
Can I do it after school?
No. I said now.
Jack, this is exactly what you deserve. Wait, that's your brother?
Stepbrother, big difference.
He's basically the house helper. Like, if something needs cleaning, carrying, fixing, boom, there's Jack.
Why do you always do that?
Come on, one more page. Just finish one more page.
Emma, your teacher emailed. Said you're doing amazing.
I know. That's my girl.
I got an A on my science quiz today.
Trash go out yet?
No.
Then why are you sitting here?
Try to keep up, Jack.
Emma, slow down! There's gravel up there!
You worry way too much.
I'm serious. Slow down!
Stop acting like you're in charge of me. Jack! Emma, don't move, don't move.
My leg! Oh my god, my leg hurts!
Okay, look at me. Just breathe. I'm here. Hang on, don't cry. I'm gonna call Dad right now, okay?
It's probably nothing.
Come on, Dad, please pick up. He didn't pick up. I'm calling 911.
911 emergency? What's your location and what's the emergency?
My sister crashed her bike. She hurt her leg really bad. She can't move. We're near the park on Maple and Cedar.
Stay with her. Help is on the way.
What happened?
Bike slipped on gravel. She landed hard. She hasn't stood up since.
Jack, don't leave.
I'm not going anywhere.
Are you Jack?
Yeah,
She's stable. You did the right thing calling when you did.
okay, good.
Why'd you help me? After everything,
Because you were hurt.
I'm always awful to you.
Yeah, you are. But I wasn't gonna leave you there.
Emma still hasn't come back. I'll call her.
Emma? Honey, where are you?
Mom, I'm at the hospital.
What? What happened?
I fell. Jack helped me. He stayed the whole time.
We're coming right now. Your son handled this emergency with remarkable maturity.
The son?
He got help quickly, kept her calm, and stayed by her side the whole time. You should be proud of him. Jack, what are you doing?
Making soup for Emma. Doctor said something warm might help. After everything, you're still taking care of her?
She's hurt.
Careful. It's hot. Thanks. Jack, I'm sorry.
For what?
For teasing you. For humiliating you.
Jack, I failed you. I saw how you were treated, and I let it happen. I'm so sorry.
And I treated you wrong. No excuses. You needed me, and I hung up on you. I'm sorry, Jack.
You're my family, and I love you all so much.
Never underestimate the quiet one. The one you ignore today may be the one who saves you tomorrow.